का जुनू जो रगों से बहा है, दिल आजमाया तो डर ना लगा है। दिल का जुनू जो रगों से बहा है, दिल आजमाया।
What are the ingredients or contributing factors for security, whether it be in a country or in a region or internationally? There are basically 5 factors. The first is leadership. It is always the leaders who either solidify stability, contribute positively to the existing stability, both internally and externally. The next very important contributing factor is ideologies, because these are ideologies which may be embedded in religious thought, which may be embedded in political thought, which may be embedded in the economic thought. The third most important contributing factors towards stability is academia, because whatever food of thought, the cerebral activity leaders have, or whatever ushers up as ideology, you will find that behind them is always mind of academia. The next very significant contributing factor is collective behavioral pattern of the masses of a nation state. The last very important contributing factor, economy. Economy of individual nation states and the economic potential of the region. What is a stabilizer? It is not necessarily that a stabilizer is always a nation state. It could be an actor, it could be an institution, or it could be a nation state which contributes toward the stability in the region. A stabilizer has to play the first function of proactive engagements and actions for promoting stability. Then you will understand how can Pakistan today have the potential of net regional stabilizer and in future contribute towards stability.
खुद की बताएं तो मंजिल यही है.
SAARC itself is dysfunctional, and it is dysfunctional because of the net regional jeopardizer India. They don't let it move ahead. Pakistan is the only nation state in this SAARC setting which since 1947 has not accepted India's hegemony and says that we will not bow down. We want peace, we want to talk to you if you are willing on every subject and any subject, but will not be coerced, we will not bow down. If Pakistan has to change tomorrow, you people will do it. Change for development and better.